Okay, good afternoon, traders. I saw this gold trade and I like to share this with everybody. Right, this is a gold trade that set up that I post I think day before yesterday or yesterday, I can't remember. Right, and as I mentioned that the gold is was in a downtrend, right, in a downtrend, especially if you take a look at the daily time frame or even the week when you take a look at the daily time frame. Clearly, it is in a downtrend. So I say that some traders who have been trading gold, of course they want to know whether this downtrend has already come to the end, right? Has already come to the end, and so what we do is we go to the higher time frame, as example weekly time frame or even monthly time frame. We look for our demand, right? Can see that this is a clear demand. This very bullish move up. So clearly this is our demand here, right? So for us, for a weekly time frame to be considered downtrend, we at least need this weekly demand to be removed first. And clearly right now we see price is actually at this weekly demand, right? And if we look to buy, we are actually buying against this daily downtrend, right? Daily downtrend. So that's why, I post the setup yesterday, I say that this is a counter trend trade, right? If you're going to take the trade, be very mindful that this is a counter trend trade. And actually, the price actually went even lower, right? So if you take the trade, actually get stopped out. So let me go through with you why this goal was taken out, right? Why goal was taken out? Let me go to where was it? Let me take a look first. It was trading at. I was looking at 1 hour time frame. Okay, I was here, right? So let's do a replay here from here. Okay, let's do a replay from here. Now we saw the price was coming down, right? Coming down into this how you call it, the demand that we are looking at. This weekly demand, let me fine tune the weekly demand because it's very wide. Okay, so that is a weekly demand I'm looking at. So let's take a look at the 1 hour time frame. Okay, and it was trading down. Now if you identify the weekly demand, as which I did just now, encompass all this, you realize that price already dipped into the weekly demand, right? But if you, how do you call that? If you fine tune your demand, you realize that the demand, the unchallenged demand, is actually right below here. Okay. So now, anyway, if you are trading on this demand, you should have already looked to buy, right? Because the price dropped into the demand, and now you see a green candle. You see this green candle before this trade closed. Before the price closed here, this was a very bullish bar, right? So there are some traders who are very excited. They say, well, looks like the price is going up. Let's go and buy because this, and that's why we see the price dip lower and move up, right? So these traders are trying to catch the bottom, right? They try to catch the bottom. It is not wrong, but knowing that this is a counter trend trade, right? They think the market is going up, so they want to enter as low as possible. So what actually happened was this, right? Let's do a replay, right? Price go up and down, right? So these people who are long here, long, now the price is going down. Now they realize that price is not yet ready to move up higher. So now they regret getting in too early, right? And let's see again. Okay, now market move lower. You see, there are some stop hunting again, right? Market move lower and then close up. So there are people who think that market is going down, so they put a sell stop, right? They put a sell stop. There are people who think that the market is going up, so they put a buy limit, put a sell stop below. So again, there are plenty of stop here below. There are a lot of stop here, a lot of stop loss below here. So this candle itself, again, is a stop hunting again, right? You see the SM, the spot money drive down, trigger the sell stop, trigger the stop loss, and then it move up, right? So those people who expect price to go lower, they can stop out with loss. All right, so now price go up again. You see what happened? There are some high here. So price go up. Some people who think the market is going down, they put a sell limit, put the stop loss below. Now they get stop out at the loss. Now those people who buy here right now, they are happy. They confirm, oh, very good. It looks like price is going up, so they are very happy, right? And some people who say if they miss the trade, getting long here, now they see price is breaking out, they start to go long again. They start to go long here, right? They see the price is breaking out, so they start to go long. They start to go long, right? They doesn't want to miss the trade. Next moment, you see what happened to the price? Price go down. Now well, it's not too bad, right? Price go down and price go up. So there are some people who doesn't put the buy at market. They put the buy limit. Now they are long. Their buy get trigger. Now they are waiting for price go higher. Okay, and then let's see. Yes, the price actually go higher. Okay, but it pull back again. You see how the price it pull back again, and we see what happened. Oh, now doesn't look well that well, right? Because once the price goes up, there are many people who actually miss the boat here. They start to buy the market, so they actually buy somewhere here. Okay, so now the price trade here. So all these people right now, they are losing money right now. They are losing money already. So they hope the price will go back up. So let's see again. Oh shit, price go down even further, right? So those people who long here, their stop loss below or below here, all this candle itself stop out everybody, right? All these people, they clear all these people who are long, they clear because these people long here, they need to put the stop loss below, right? So this trade come down, stop them out. And let's see again. Price come down again, test again, right? So price come down to test again. Okay, let's see what. Oh my God. Price goes up. Some people who are putting a sell limit here, they expect price. They expect to do this trading range, right? This looks like trading range right now, right? Right. So some people who take, okay, I'm going to put a sell limit there, put my stop loss above. So this candle take their sell limit, take their stop loss, and then stop them out with a loss, and the market close here. Okay. So now it's still in the trading range. This is what I mean by the smart money are accumulating. They are accumulating their positions, right? They just want to get rid of all the weak holder, right? According to Wyckoff. Anyway, we continue to see again. Now the price go down further. Now see the double bottom here. Now even in a smaller time frame, people who trade on the, let's say, 15 minutes time frame, they will see this double bottom. They'll put their buy limit, put their stop loss. This candle again, stop hunting. Grab all this stop and then it move up, right? So you can see that every candlestick, the smart money is actually doing the accumulating the order. Oh my God, this is a big red candle, right? So now what happened? All these people who believe the price is going up, the gold is going up, now they all their orders clear, all clear, and market go down, and market this big red candle, market moved over. Now you see what happened right now. Now then the market start to move into the real demand, right? So this is actually this looks like a accumulating market. Smart money is accumulating, but it become a redistributions, right? It become like another place where smart money are try to clear out all the weak holder. Okay, so we see price drop again. Now market again go through another phase of accumulations, right? We see there's this like a selling climax again. This is like a how you call it, spring below this low to grab all the stop loss here, right? This another spring below to clear all the stop loss here. So again, it looks like the smart money want to move the price up, but before they move the price up, they try to clear all the order, because these people, there are some people, some trader who actually try to long and put their stop loss below. They put their stop loss below. So you see smart money try to clear all the stop loss, clear out all these order, because they want to move the price higher. Okay. So now again, more low again. Price might just come down again to clear the low. Let's see. Again, really, price come down to clear all the low, then it close up here. Okay. So what happened? See how the price spiked up? There are people who actually put a buy order there. They expect price to break out. Now their order get triggered and the price close below. It depends where they put their stop loss. If they put their stop loss somewhere in between here, or obviously right now their order is already clear, already stop out the loss. If they put their stop loss below here, they are still safe, but now they are losing money because their buy order is somewhere here. They buy at the breakout, right? And their stop loss is below here. If they are stop below here, they are clear. They are still, their order is still open, but at the loss. If their order is here, their stop loss is there, then now obviously this candle already clear them out, clear their stop loss out, right? So now what happens now? We see a price gap up, right? We see this price gap up right now. Now with the price gap up, now there are some traders who are already long here. If their order now just get up because their stop loss is here, now they are very happy because they see that finally the price start to break out higher. The price start to break out higher, right? And there are some people who say, well, they are waiting for this moment, right? So now they see the price go up like this. They say, let's go and buy. Either they buy at the market here, or some they put the buy limit here. They are waiting for the price to actually go higher from here. Okay, and let's see what happens. Okay, we might see the price come here and then retrace, test another one more time before it go up. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, true enough, looks like the price is coming to test this, is respecting this area here, right? Because there are some people, some trader here who go long here, right? Knowing the price come down, right now they regret going long too early, and they want to get out with a break even. So this move up actually give this trader who already long previously the opportunity to get out, right? So now when the price was here, they have a decision to make. Should they get out? Should they not get out? Right? Or should they wait? Or maybe the price is going up, so they are hesitating. Maybe the price is go. So there are some traders who long here. They think that it looks like price is going up here, so let's stay on. Right? But there are some traders say, well, I'm done. Right? It looks like I want to see the price. I only want to go long again if I see the price clear away here, right? So there are some people who actually will go long here. They want to get out from the trade. So this string up here to give them the opportunity to close their position, and we see the price go down. Okay, price coming down again. Can you see now? Price coming down. So this was a trade, right? This was a trade. I say that, well, this was a trade. I call the trade here. I say that looks like this is a gap here. The price will come down to fill the gap, right? And then it move higher. Price will come down to fill the gap and move higher. And you see what happened yesterday. It moved even lower, right? Price is not just filling the gap here. Price is going to get rid of all the stop loss below here. Price is trying to get rid of all this stop loss below here, right? And we see the price coming down again to test. See now again, okay? Price is trying to clear again. All this low. They try to clear the low here. Now clear. This all clear. Can you see now? So this is what I mean by the stop hunting, right? It is, yeah. Now the market is making even a lower low than this double bottom, right? Then this candle, and now they reverse back up. Okay. To make sure that all the stop are clear, you can see the price really come down lower, right? To trick more seller coming down, and then it close up higher. Again, one more time, right? All the stop losses are being clear now, right? So realize that what happened right now, we are still in this demand, right? We are still in this demand now. If you go to the higher time frame, the 4 hour time, is it the 4 hour? I think, or daily, I think. Oh, sorry, weekly time frame demand. This is a weekly demand, right? You see the demand? Okay, it is still a demand. Demand has not broken yet, right? The thing is, the price want to go further deeper into the demand before it eventually go up. So now we see the price actually go quite deep already into this demand. And let's see what happened. Go down to 1 hour again. I think the goal is likely to take up from here, because I think this is already quite this is the demand we are talking about. It's quite deep already, right? You can see the price go down into quite deep already. Go deeper. Oh my God, deeper. Okay. So now price stabilize. This is what I mean by, sometimes I mentioned that, okay, the price enter into the demand. Now I'm waiting for price to stabilize. This is what I mean by price stabilize, right? We do not see market continue to free fall. At least we see the market start to go sideways. This is market stabilize, right? So now it looks like this is the demand that potentially going to hold the gold for at least a short pullback. I don't know. Let's see. All right. So we clear this high. We clear the high, right? It looks like market make a higher high right now, and let's see what happened. Now remember, we still have stop loss below here. You see the low here? There are still stop loss here. Now, will the price come back to test again to grab all the stop before go up? Okay, that's it. Oh, that's the current price. Okay, this is the current price. So now, so you can see that that's how when one thing is when we are trading against the counter trend, it is very tough because the market will keep moving lower to grab stop. Because now, if you take a look at the daily time frame, what is the trend right now? Right, because the trend, that's why we do not want to trade against the trend. You see the daily time frame, it is still in a downtrend. Now, will we get we are trying to buy in the lower time frame up, but in the daily time frame, clearly this is still in a downtrend, even though we are already in the demand, right? If you go to the 1 hour time frame, okay, now can the price goes higher? Yes, possible, right? But the momentum is actually to the downside, right? So so that is the reason why it is not advisable to do counter trend trade, right? But even though it is already in the demand, now I'm not saying that the price will continue to go down, because after all, this is the weekly demand, isn't it? What happened to the trend? The weekly right now, it is still in the uptrend, right? Right now you can see that this weekly is still in the uptrend, okay? And this is the low, right? You can see after this demand make the price go up. So what we can say is, what we can also say, price make a high, it make a low, you see, make a low to this area, and then if price make a higher high, price make a low, then price make a higher high. So we need in the weekly time frame, we need this last demand to be taken out. So you can see the price can be going down. This is in the lower time frame, like daily time frame is in the downtrend. But right now we are falling into this weekly demand, right? Once this weekly demand being taken out, example, then we say that now weekly is no longer in the uptrend, then we should not look for a long in the gold anymore. But until now, what we see is this demand, weekly demand, is not yet removed. So we can say that, well, this can potentially be a pullback, right? This gold can potentially be a pullback to this weekly demand. Then after this, we can actually see a maybe go up like this, right? But for the gold price go up, like move up like this, right? What we are going to see is we are going to see a lot of stop hunting in the lower time frame, let's say 1 hour time frame, and this is what we're going to see, right? Price goes up to induce buyer come in. You see, this is all when the price goes up, it attract or it induce a lot of buy order comes in, thinking the market is going up. People try to get at the low, right, before any confirmation higher, and they try to go into buy, and market go down, take out all this long again, right? So market do accumulation, price goes up again, right? Now when the price goes up again, they again give the impressions that gold is going up, so a lot of buyer start jumping in to buy because they scared to miss the boat. Then what happened to the big guys? The big guys move lower again, take out all this long, right? Take out all this long. So now we are coming to this area again this time. Now we see that price looks like going up. If price looks like going up, will this happen again, right? Will the price come down again to grab all this order, right? So in a lower time frame, when we are when the trend is trying to reverse, right, we will see a lot of this kind of stop hunting. It is very difficult to trade, right? Because we are trading against this downtrend. No doubt in a weekly time frame, it is in the uptrend still, right? And usually if the gold is going reverse, which I mentioned I think a few weeks ago, if gold is going to reverse, it is most likely going to reverse in the weekly demand, which is this demand, right? I don't see any demand over here. That's a weekly demand, right? And it's a swing point RP. So if it's going to reverse, it's going to reverse here. But if the price did not reverse and market go continue to break this demand, weekly demand L1, I think that's it. I think we're going to see the gold to test the next lower level, right? So I think this is a short video. I hope it helps, right? Thank you very much.